Let's lend an ear and let it rip. It's time for Industrial Industries World Radio's Farts of the Week.
Welcome everybody to the Farts of the Week. In this segment, we take a look at all the farts that I've recorded on my phone over the past week, and this Farts of the Week is going to be a bit more experimental because we're going to choose the winning fart of the week, and we're going to slow down the fart and hear how the fart sounds in its slowed down essence. So before we get to the fart of the week, we've got some runner-ups. So without further ado, let's go into this. I've given all of these farts certain names by how they sound and all that. So this first fart up on deck, I call this Hey. So let's check it out. Hell yeah. This next one I'm calling Tongue Out. Fart number 3, this one is titled Bang. Fart number 4, this one's called Car Horn. Okay, this next one, fart number 5, is called Pencil Eraser. And we are now at the 6th fart and the winning fart of the week. And I call this one Punch Sound Effect number 8. So let's listen to it in its original glory right now. Okay, now we're going to slow down this fart by half. So let's listen to it slowed down by half. Alright, now let's listen to the fart 4 times slower. Alright, and now is the test. We are going to hear the sheer essence of the fart. So if we basically slowed down time to a very, very slow measure of time, we're going to hear every little thing in this. So this is going to be just really stretched out. So let's listen to this fart and hear what it sounds like as if time almost stood still. Here we go.
And so I turned to my cohort and I said, "Off with his head." Oh, a waiter's coming. Hang on here. Pardon? Why, yes. I would like some butter for my toast. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, thank you. Stop butting into our conversation, please. All right, run along. Run along, peasant. So anyways, Miss Gretchen was dilly-dallying around with her little friends, so we say. And then I said to her, "By goodness, madam, you are one wench of a woman. Now how about you go on and wipe that nasty little derriere that you have and get back to me when you are proper." I would say so myself.
I did not expect that. My farts, in almost a slowed state of time, are having tea and crumpets outside a cafe somewhere. Well, I guess we're making new discoveries in this show left and right. I tell you what, shoot. Anyways, guys, I am DJ Glowing Ice, and that is your Farts of the Week.